Do you want to know more about linguistics and morphology? If you do, we have a question for you. Can you tell us the difference between a free morph and a bound morph? If not, stay in this video and we will show you everything you need to know. If yes, well, you can stay anyways. You will also learn about productivity. Therefore, let's start. Hello everyone. We are Marian, Angela, Anaí, Helen, Oscar, and Helen Monica. And this is one of the videos in a series of videos to reinforce your knowledge about morphology basic concepts.
So in today's video we are going to be dealing with free morph, bound morph, and last but not least, productivity. We are going to start by defining each one of them, then we are going to see many examples so you can understand. Without further ado, let us start to the matter in hand. A morph that can stand alone as a word and does not require prefix, suffix, infix, or other morphs to give it meaning is called a free morph. For example, the adjective big, the verb walk, and the noun home. They are free morphs. Root words may or may not can be free morphs. For example, book is a free morph, but the S on books is not, because the S carries meaning and they join to a free morph.
Free morphs fall into two categories: lexical morphemes and functional morphemes. Lexical morphemes, set of ordinary nouns, verbs, adjectives that carry the content of the message we convey. Since we can add new lexical morphemes to language, we call these open class words. For example, nice, look, house, etc. Functional morpheme, set of conjunctions, prepositions, articles, and pronouns. We cannot add new functional morphemes to the language. We call these closed class words. For example, and, but, when, because, on, near, about, the, that, etc.
A morph, which cannot stand alone, can only occur in a word form and is typically attached to other morphs, prefixes, suffixes, infixes, or circumfixes. Is termed a bound morph, for example, ed, ing, er. However, not only affixes can be regarded as bound, but also roots, and those roots which cannot stand by themselves as full words, such as the verb come, in which come can be considered as a bound root. Bound morphs fall into two categories: derivational morpheme and inflectional morpheme. They are affixes added to a stem or root to form a new stem or word, possibly but not necessary. For example, ed added to a verb sing to give the noun singer. Then we have the same examples in suffixes, prefixes, infixes, and circumfixes.
Inflectional morphemes. They are suffixes as in Sally's daughters or I wanted it. They provide grammatical information about gender, number, person, case, degree, and verb form. They are not used to change the grammatical category of words. English inflectional morphology. English has only three categories of meaning, which are expressed inflectionally, known as inflectional categories. They are number in nouns, tense aspect in verbs, and comparison in adjectives. Word class to which inflection applies. Nouns: number, possessive. Verbs: third person singular present, past tense, perfect aspects, progressive or continuous aspects. Adjectives. Comparative, comparing two items. And superlative, comparing two plus items. Productivity. Productivity refers to how often a particular morpheme is used in a language. A particular morpheme is called productive if it is actively used in not only existing words, but also in word formation. Basically, any process, and not necessarily just one in word formation, is said to be productive if it can be used synchronically in the production of new words, and non-productive if it cannot be used synchronically in this way.
This can be exemplified from syntax with the Middle English rules of word order. In Middle English, it was possible to put the subject after the verb in the declarative sentences. Also, it was possible to put the object before the verb. This can be seen in the examples from the following picture. To prayer and to pronounce putting hill money from Piers Plumman. If enemy playing Robert Manning is my name from Chronicle of England. The rules which allow this are no longer productive in modern English, so that to prayer and penance put themselves many, and if anybody rude criticizes, are no longer acceptable in modern English. We hope you have enjoyed this video and above all that it has helped you to improve your knowledge a little more. If you want to know more about another topic in specific, let us know in the comments. With nothing more to say, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!